Hey everybody, check this out. Are you in the DoorDash shout outs where you pay her $25, you send it to her Cash App, and she shouts your channel out, and hopefully it'll bring more traction to your channel. You get more people coming over there. You get people coming over there subscribing to your channels, watching your videos. You subscribe back to their channels. Well, guess what? I don't know if she shouted me out, but I had two people come on two different videos today and told me, could have been yesterday, I don't know, and told me that I'm from the DoorDash channel, and I just subscribed to your channel. And I'm like, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. And I asked one of the ladies, I said, did DoorDash shout me out? Did DoorDash shout me out? Because I did pay the $25, courtesy of my cousin, because she paid for it, because I'm a widow on a budget. I ain't got no $25 in my budget to pay DoorDash to shout my channel out. But, I got two new subscribers. Y'all just don't know how happy that made me. I got two new subscribers. If I get one new subscriber, I don't care where they came from, I'm happy as a lark. Because for a while, I was so stuck. Oh my goodness, I was stuck on 1910. Back in October when I was in Las Vegas. I was making my videos, still stuck on 1910, making my videos, still stuck on 1910. While I was in Vegas, I think I got 40 or 50 subscribers while I was in Vegas, and that was just being consistent. Being consistent. When they tell you to be consistent, being consistent is the key. It's the key. Being consistent. Show up every day, make your videos every day, and if you really can, try making 2, 3, 4, 5 videos a day. They don't have to be super long. I know they want them to be 20 minutes, but sometimes you don't just have 20 minutes worth of stuff to talk about, but you have content to talk about. You know, make them 8, 10 minutes. You have content to talk about, and talk about what you need to talk about what you want to talk about, but just get your videos made. Also, I'm in the DoorDash challenge where you have to make a video from, it's either February 10th or February 11th to the end of February 28th. Now, I made 4 videos the same day. So I was caught up for 4 days. Today, I don't have no videos. I have not made anything. She said you could just make a regular video. She said you could make a short or whatever. I've never made a short. I don't know how to make a short. I want to make a short. I really do. I want to make a short because they say, I think shorts are under a minute or 30 seconds or something like that. But I just want to make a short. Even if nobody watches it, I want to make a short. And I was trying to look up on YouTube how to make a short. Now, I watch other people's shorts, but I still don't know how to make a short. I want to make a short. Can somebody come on here and let me know how to make a short? I want to make a short, and I want to keep getting shouted out because she said that she was going to shout your channel out more than one time, but she got a whole lot of people. And I'm going to see if she a woman of her word and if she going to shout my channel, not just my channel, but other people's channels out more than one time. You know, for $25, we should get a couple of 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 10 shout outs. You know, I'll take 5. I'll be good with 5 shout outs. But I want my channel shouted out, and I want everybody who participated in the DoorDash shout out, $25 shout out, to be shouted out. And even on my channel, I just made a small YouTubers video a few days ago. And if you go check it out, the small YouTubers video, I got the date on there and everything. And I was asking for a certain amount of people to be shouted out. But you know what? I'm not even gonna go by that rule and stuff because I didn't get a whole lot of traction over there. But regardless of what I got over there, the people that came to my channel and who subscribed to my channel on the 28th, which is next Friday of February, I am going to shout their channel out. The 28th of February, I'm going to shout their channel out. They put on there, they was from the DoorDash channel, and I put on there, I'm from the DoorDash channel, you know, because I follow DoorDash, they follow DoorDash and stuff. And so I said, okay, maybe she shouted my channel out. And if she did, I'm very, very happy. and stuff. Yep, I'm happy if I got my channel shouted out. And like I said, on the 28th, I will shout their channel out. But yeah, that's all I wanted to say. I just wanted to do a quick video. So this is probably what, a short? Because it's short. This video is probably going to be about 4 to 5 minutes long. But that's better than no minutes long. Okay? That's better than no minutes long. And it was something else. Oh. I'm in the DoorDash the challenge about the videos, and I'm also, like I said, and I'm also doing the pay to get my channel shouted out. I've never done that. I've never paid to get my channel shouted out. But my cousin, she was adamant that she follows DoorDash too, and she was adamant. She said, cousin, she said, I want your channel shouted out. And she said, check your Cash App. She said the money's there. She said, get in contact with DoorDash Cash App. And she said, and do what you need to do. She said, but I want to see your channel get shouted out. And I'm very, very happy, and I'm very thankful, and I'm very grateful, because this is my bestest cousin in the whole world. She the truth. She the real deal. She is the real deal. And it's nothing that this young lady wouldn't do for me. You know, I don't even have to ask. But if I asked her, it's nothing that she wouldn't do for me. And she has proved it. She has proved it. She has proved it. And I love her dearly. We've been rocking since our baby day. She just had her birthday on the 25th of January. And my birthday is going to be next month. Excuse me. My birthday is going to be next month, March the 9th. We are almost exactly 6 weeks apart. And this is how we roll. And we talk on the phone every day, all day. Okay? So, with that being said, get your channel. Come on over here. Get your channel shouted out. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel. I'm definitely going to come back and subscribe right back to you. We all need to grow. We all need to win. We all need to get some of this YouTube money, because YouTube got a whole lot of money out there. And with that being said, I'm going to see you on the next video.